Trigger warning? Don't judge me, okay? Let's get into it.
He needs some milk.
Okay, so this is what my bathroom closet looks like. This is my storage space, and honestly, it is all mine. My husband does not use this at all. Here's the problem. I got too much going on. It's disheveled, it's unorganized, and so I wanted to clean things up a bit. Help. So I believe that a trip to IKEA is gonna solve this. So let's see what we can find.
All right, y'all, get in the car, buckle up your seatbelts, and we're going for a ride. Today we went to IKEA in Norfolk, Virginia. I'm kidding, y'all. So it was Friday. It was really easy. Not a lot of people shopping on a Friday. And the thing about going in IKEA, if you don't stay focused, you're going to end up just picking up stuff you probably don't even need. Now, why in the world am I looking at a napkin holder? Anyway, my goal today, storage and organizational bins. My idea was to have, a tan, neutral, wood tones. But looking at these prices, y'all, this box is $25. I remember getting some of these a year ago and they were only $14. So it must be the tariffs. So that's why I'm standing here looking crazy, pausing, wondering what I want. However, I did end up picking up 2 wood bins. They were $17.99. I don't know about that. However, I'm definitely happy with these. They were $4.99. So I grabbed 3 of these. Now I picked up 2 of these divider tote bins. One is for my makeup and beauty and the other is for hair products. And I promise you, everything I put in this buggy, I'm definitely gonna need because you saw how crazy it looked. Now, this is something my husband had snuck in here, but I'm gonna let that slide. He claimed it's for my purses. And another thing, when you're shopping, please have a budget or please keep track of your prices. Don't just be carelessly throwing stuff in the buggy, not even thinking about the price. Come on now, at some point, you gotta learn to be a little bit more responsible. I hope your mama taught you that. And this declutter, this is like therapy to me. You know what I'm saying? Clear the space and clear your mind. You ever just be looking at a bunch of stuff, like a bunch of junk, and you're like, I need to clean that up. This is too much going on, messing with my brain. However, that does not apply to all the stuff I'm putting in this cart. That is different. I ain't even gonna lie. IKEA is a vibe, y'all. I just love going to IKEA. It can't just be me. At this point, I'm asking myself, do I have everything I need? Well, Angel, I'm not sure, but you'll find out when you get home. All right, so here we are taking a little brain break. But guess what? We got to get back to it, and we're going this way. So before we head to checkout, hubby's like, hey, let's stop at the sales section. Let's see what they have. And I was like, okay, guess we make our way over here. But I was in luck. I originally had these $17.99 bins. I traded those bad boys so fast for these darker brown ones that were $4.99. So I put back those 2 $17.99 and got 3 of these. Are y'all ready to check out? I hope y'all had a good experience at IKEA today. It was a wonderful experience. I'm actually pleased and proud of myself for getting the things that I needed, things that were on my list, okay? And if you're still here at this moment, this is your sign to clean that room, declutter that closet, clean under that bathroom sink. Y'all know how all that stuff you get piled up under that sink and in those closets and in those just under the bed, a bunch of mess. Okay, we're done heading to the car. I'm ready to get back home and start on this task. And when I say clean up, I'm ready to clean up, throw away stuff. Because sometimes you have stuff in there that's just been there for years. And I know I do. So if you had it for more than a year, throw it away. On another note, it is a great day for duck donuts. So I worked hard in IKEA today. I needed a treat and I would not feel bad about it. And just like that, we are back home. So I started out by removing everything out. You should see the amount of stuff I have on the floor. I'm taking everything out off every shelf, clearing out everything. And it is insane. It is dusty. I wish I could get better angles in here, but it's a narrow closet. It's kind of tight, but we can make it work. And why that look like 2 bald spots in my head? I hope that's just hair product. I'm gonna have to look at that. Anyway, something I noticed, I have lots of empty boxes, lots of empty makeup containers. It's just a disaster. So I'm gonna go here and wipe down the baseboard and the floor with some Clorox wipes. Behind the door, it gets really dusty
Now that we
and
got that
yucky,
cleared
guys.
out, what shall I do? I don't know if I should put my new stuff in, or you know what? I need to sort through some stuff. Throw some stuff away, then bring in the new items, okay? I'm gonna let myself go, y'all. Like, look at this.
Okay, so now it's time to tone it down. I've been wired up too long. Now it's time to sort through a bunch of stuff. You know, I'm gonna have a bin for all the hair products, a huge bag for trash. I am finding sets of fake nails. I ended up having an entire bin of artificial nails and nail products. Wow. All right, so here I'm placing my $5 bins. And I'm just looking at all the stuff I have on the counter. This little wax kit I got from Shein that's really not worth anything. It's no good. I don't know why I'm holding on to it. Makeup in bags, new stuff that I didn't even take out of the bag, you know? And most of the stuff on the floor is going to be trash. Now look how huge of a trash bag I have. And that's not even half of it.
I tell you what, I am never letting it get like this again. I know I say that, but I mean, I'm finding makeup, locks, hair products. This is the bin I kept my jewelry in. It's a cookie bin. A cookie bin. But that's all right. I'm about to make the most of this cleanup. The rest is my makeup, and I ordered some makeup storage containers that'll hold my brushes and stuff a little bit neater, so I'm waiting on that to come. The floor looks better already, and this is the final product, guys. Here it is, my before and after. Now I can sleep peacefully. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.